All right, so Samsung has officially started teasing the Galaxy S26 series. And interestingly, the first teaser has nothing to do with cameras, performance, or AI features. Instead, Samsung is focusing on privacy. If you look at the teaser video Samsung just released, it's very minimal. Dark visuals, controlled lighting, and a single word on the screen. Smartphone. But the real message is what Samsung is not showing directly. This teaser is centered around a brand new privacy display feature, and it's something we haven't seen implemented at this level on a smartphone before. Now, according to Ice Universe and other early reports, this teaser campaign actually consists of 3 videos, and all 3 are built around this one feature. That alone tells us how important this upgrade is for Samsung. So let's talk about what this privacy display actually is. Samsung is using a new display hardware solution, not just software dimming or privacy filter like we've seen in the past. This is hardware-level anti-peeping protection, meaning the screen physically limits visibility from side angles. If you're looking at the phone straight on, everything looks completely normal. Full brightness, full color accuracy, no loss in quality. But the moment someone tries to look from the side, the screen appears almost black. This isn't a gimmick. It's a collaboration between display hardware and One UI software, which is what makes this feature interesting. Software alone can't do this properly, and hardware alone wouldn't be flexible enough. Samsung combining both is what enables customization. And yes, this feature is customizable. Samsung has already confirmed that the privacy display won't be a simple on or off toggle. Users will be able to control how and when it activates. For example, you'll be able to enable the privacy display only for specific apps. So imagine you're chatting on WhatsApp, checking your banking app, or reading private emails in public. Only those apps will trigger the privacy mode automatically, while everything else behaves normally. This kind of app-level control already exists in One UI for other features, so this fits perfectly into Samsung's ecosystem. Another customization option is visibility control. Users will be able to decide how aggressive the side angle dimming should be. If you want maximum privacy, the sides can be heavily dimmed. If you want something more subtle, you'll be able to adjust that as well. This is important because not everyone uses their phone in the same way or in the same environments. Now, at MWC 2026, Samsung actually demonstrated this technology on a larger panel. And one thing that stood out is that angle and distance matter. If someone is sitting very close and directly beside you, some content might still be slightly visible. But once there's enough distance and angle, the display does its job extremely well. On smartphones, this may actually work even better on tablets simply because of the smaller screen size and how we naturally hold our phones. This is especially useful in real-world situations: public transport, cafes, flights, or crowded waiting areas. We've all been there. You tilt your phone slightly, lower the brightness, and still feel like someone might be peeking. Samsung's solution addresses that exact anxiety. What's also interesting is the availability of this feature. Earlier rumors suggested that the privacy display might be exclusive to the Galaxy S26 Ultra, which would make sense given the new hardware requirements. However, a Korean media outlet is now reporting that Samsung plans to bring this feature across the entire Galaxy S26 lineup, not just the Ultra. If that turns out to be true, this would be a major move. Display hardware features are usually limited to the top model first, so bringing it to all S26 devices would signal Samsung's confidence in this technology. And based on early impressions, there's no compromise in display quality. From the front, colors remain accurate, text stays sharp, and brightness looks normal. From the side, the screen looks almost completely black. That balance is difficult to achieve, and if Samsung gets this right, it could set a new standard for smartphone displays. So while a lot of people are still waiting to hear more about the Galaxy S26 cameras, chipset choices, or battery upgrades, this privacy screen might actually end up being one of the most practical and underrated upgrades of the entire series. Samsung isn't just adding features anymore, they're solving everyday problems. And the fact that Samsung chose this as the first teaser tells us one thing clearly. They believe this feature is big enough to lead the S26 story. This is just the beginning. As more teasers drop and more leaks surface, we'll get a clearer picture of how this technology evolves across the lineup. But for now, this privacy display already feels like a real step forward, not just a marketing term. Let me know what you think about this feature. Would you actually use it in daily life, or do you think it's unnecessary? And as always, stay tuned because the Galaxy S26 leaks are only getting started.